Hey guys, welcome back. Remember how we used to study human anatomy back in school? Today, let's learn human anatomy from an artist perspective. So, basically, I'm gonna sketch 6 basic human poses sitting on the ground. Figure drawing is the art of sketching human figure that can be in various forms sitting, standing, walking, lying, etc. Let's begin with human drawing basics. A well-proportioned figure, regardless of variations due to gender and such, is defined by the alignment of the joints. This is our groundwork for proportions. Draw your own chart with me as we go. It really helps with learning the material. I consistently start with the head, but it doesn't really matter what part of the body you start drawing. If you are unsure or having a hard time, then I suggest trying with the head first. Get used to drawing this basic figure with a light hand since the finished body will be built up over it. Traditionally, the final lines are inked and the guidelines then erased, hence the importance of a light hand. But even when I am sketching with a ballpoint pen with the intent of inking on a different sheet by transparency, keeping a light hand ensures I can see what I am doing. The essence of figure drawing is to attempt to capture life as it really is, or at least as it appears to the artist. Learning to trust and honor the quirks and individuality of perception is the key to understanding illustration. A better understanding of anatomy and gesture drawing through figure study can build your own illustration capabilities. Sketching real figures will help you to develop your skills as a sketch artist, illustrator, and digital artist. Human anatomy is remarkably complex. Capturing the intricacies of its shape is a challenge, one that many people spend a lifetime attempting to master. But if you understand its complexity through deep observation, you develop the tools to simplify and create visual shorthand. Learning to edit the form you are drawing relies on a bedrock of understanding anatomy. While drawing figures can help you more accurately draw human anatomy, perfection is not the ultimate goal. To strive for perfection can leave your drawings feeling static and uninspired. Avoid straight lines, says illustrator Sheila Larson. Always have some type of roundedness to them. Humans are really perfectly symmetrical or proportioned, so drawings that create those symmetries and proportions can seem uncanny or odd. Take a hand for instance. It's composed of many different shapes. The lines of the bone structure and the fingers, the ovals and the cylinders that compose the fingers and the palm. When you learn the unique aspects of each of these features, your drawings become more complex and interesting. Figure drawing can be outlined majorly in 6 stages. Stage 1: Basic proportions of the human body and how all the parts relate to each other. Stage 2: Drawing a live model in 3D form, grasping measurements and center line. Stage 3: Creating a convincing silhouette and learning to draw the head, torso, legs, and arms accurately. Stage 4: Continue practicing the human figure, also adding tones and shades for a more convincing modeling and shadow casting. Stage 5: Practice drawing the hands and feet from different angles and work on your modeling and rendering skills. Stage 6: Create finished drawings ready for group exhibition or for your portfolio. The masters of topographic human anatomy were the three notable artists of the Italian Renaissance: Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Raphael. Leonardo was a master of topographic human anatomy, executing a large number of detailed sketches of muscles, tendons, and other anatomical features. Michelangelo, too, was a prolific draftsman, sketcher, and exponent of figurative art. If you like today's work, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and comment to encourage for more. Press the bell icon for instant notifications. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.